Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and this is Sanipal from How to Solve. Today I'm going to give you it's not one, obviously it's three of them, promo code. This will get you 500 gigabyte cloud storage for your personal use, and it will be for 1 year subscription. The links and the promo code will be given in the description below. First of all, which cloud storage we are talking, so let me show you this address. First go to this address. Here I'm going in this address. So this is a peak cloud, and it's secure. You can subscribe, or you can create an account with Google or or Facebook or Apple. I'm creating an account with Google, with my Google account. You can region select United States and accept, create account. Okay, so I have already created my account, so let me, then you have to confirm from your Gmail. Welcome to, you are ready to start optimizing your account. So after that, go to this second link I will give you in the description. So here you can see there you can add or submit a promo code. So let me show you. There's three of them. I'm gonna copy one of them. Which one will work, I don't know for you. Let me see. Go to submit. Okay, it's expired. Then this one, let me see. Okay, this one also expired for me, by the way. Let me see this one. Okay, here you can see you have 500 GB available in your most important files. Go to my account. Let me show you. This is not for 3 months. You can see there was a 3 month written, but not, this is not 3 months. Okay, let me show you in the pricing. It's good, and let me show you. Here you can buy the annual fee from here. You can see 500 gigabyte. It's only 199 USD. So I'm not going to see it. Let me show you here. Premium 500 gigabyte yearly payment. This was already, you are currently subscribed for this option. So that's it. If you want to buy for lifetime, then obviously it's a good option, and it's secure, by the way. So that's it, guys. That's for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. It will help me grow my channels. And thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.